Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'll be showing you how to get your dried out ink cartridge working again. If you're getting streaky or light prints, or you just haven't printed with your cartridges in a while and aren't happy with how your prints are turning out, we've got 2 simple tips that will help you improve your print quality. The steps in this video only work for ink cartridges with a built-in print head. If your cartridge looks like this, like a lot of HP and Canon ink cartridges do, you're good to go. But if you own a printer that uses individual ink cartridges that look like this, like a lot of Epson cartridges do, these steps will not work because they do not have a built-in print head, and for these cartridges, you're better off running the printer's cleaning function. Okay, and with that, let's jump into the tips. For this first tip, all you need is a warm, damp paper towel. Press the cartridge face down and tap it a few times on the table. Then gently slide the cartridge down the paper towel to pull out the ink from inside the cartridge, and repeat the process until you can see all 3 colors on the paper towel. For our second tip, you'll need to fill up a bowl or plastic tub with warm water about a ½ inch deep, and also grab a dry paper towel. Place the cartridge face down into the tub and let it sit for about 15 seconds. Then slide the cartridge down the paper towel a few times to pull out the ink, and repeat the process until you can clearly see all 3 colors on the paper towel. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like, and you can also subscribe to our channel where we have lots of other great printing tips. If you have any questions or printing tips you need help with, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're looking to save money on printer ink, visit ldproducts.com. We are your ink and toner experts.